What, guys?
This
and
thing
in
is so out
today's
of
video,
control.
we're gonna be checking out the new Subway update. And if you're wondering what this thing is, this is just my thing for the thing. I'm gonna stop that, and then I'll just add that over. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring this. There we go. All right. So basically, what you're gonna need, I just bring this and a flying machine. All you
Don't
really
ask me
need
what was I doing.
is a flying machine. Oh my god. So you need a
If you don't have
glow
this
stick,
flying machine, grab a grappler.
yeah, and you need a flashlight, of course, or a glow stick, a backpack, and either a baseball bat or a gun full of ammo with the ammo thing or not, and more
Grab a
bullets.
gun, don't grab a weapon, because you don't need a weapon. If you get a weapon, you die.
You also need a pickaxe. Alright, well, let's get into it. We're gonna...
Wait, if you don't want to mine ores, well, if you don't want to get extra money, you don't have to grab a pickaxe.
You need the pickaxe to get out.
Oh, yeah. Well, they already give you a shovel.
Yeah, and they also give you a pickaxe, too. Alright, well, let's get this started with...
I'm just gonna grab a flashlight because James already has that OP weapon, so I'm not gonna. Bye, bubble.
Soccer ball. World Cup. Everybody. Bro, we have to show them everything.
Oh, my bad, twin.
Okay, so we got Sharky still.
Let's go for ball.
Tiger, goat, elephant, raccoon, polar bear.
We basically have everything.
Yeah, they have every animal in the entire game, including bundles. No, they have bundle ones.
Well, they don't have the capybara. Well, I mean, they don't have the 9 foxtail.
Yeah, they have just the basic ones, the base ones, not the extra bundle style. Like, you see how there's 3 of them? They only have 1 of them. So they got the summer fight deal for $3.99 and American style, whatever, American dollars.
Hurry up!
Days, and so this is. I already have it in, so you just put it in there.
Bye bye.
You pull that lever.
You don't have to grab on, or I would recommend because you would just go.
And this is one of my favorite YouTubers,
like
No
this,
Lie.
like this.
If fan art, shout out to him.
No!
Well, he got left behind. I think we're going into the repair store. That is no lights. No. Yep, this is it. Alright, let's wait for Mason. So I'm gonna sit on the bench. Benches are awesome. Hi! Hi, that's why you have to grab on something.
Nah, let's go. There's these scary abs, which doesn't scare me, because he's just a robot.
Wait, do we go down or do we go up? Ay!
That works. Not dead yet.
There we go. The reason I'm so
And
heavy
they
is
do like extremely fast shooting, so be careful if you didn't recognize that they can do extremely fast shooting. Yeah. Those are for blind people.
How would blind people play VR though?
I don't know. Oh my god, translator.
How Why would blind people need a translator?
Well, I help her then. I don't know, they might play in Rails. Like Rails VR. You never know, bro. Kaboom boom. And that guy's dead.
Wait, which
Don't go
one?
over there, because that's useless. That's useless, James. Go over here.
Ah! You killed.
My bad, twin.
Okay,
back
you
here.
respawn, and we gotta get that thing that I have. ASAP.
ASAP.
Oh, go, go, go. Just run.
That thing is expensive. Although James has 7 million.
I know, it's just.
That thing is expensive.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
This way.
Are we almost there yet?
Here. Yes. Here.
Got it. We don't need a light. You missed every
Come on.
shot, bro.
Well, it's not my fault I have so many health. This way. Sometimes it can shoot up, sometimes it can't. So, depends on you. Up, up, up.
We're almost there. Remember what KJ showed us.
There's no else monsters in here except for those.
We're not resetting our games for this part. We gotta show them the real way how we do this. And luckily,
go down?
I know how to do this because KJ showed me a way to get past the Crossy Road part. Because when you get the key cards, Crossy Road starts happening.
Monster.
Kapew! Kapew!
You should think it.
I said kapew! That thing rolled over like it's a dog, bro.
Arf, arf. I timed it perfectly. Some genius. And this time,
You remember what to do.
yep,
I'm stuck!
that's good. Ow, 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 ow.
He's dead or no?
Yes. But you can't get us.
Guess. Wait,
Oh, I thought you said yes.
you have to guess it correctly. Dead or not.
You were dead.
No, I'm still alive. I'm opening boxes. One over here. Oh, we could just fly over it. Now just fly
Kicker!
towards it. Keycard. This might be the hardest one to do.
I'm gonna leave my key card. Don't we both have it unlocked or no?
I don't.
I have it unlocked at least.
You just said don't worry because I have the maximum.
This is the
Yeah.
right way, right?
Yeah.
Aye!
I literally die, bro.
Okay. I know what to do here.
Red light's no, bro.
Oh man!
Only
Oh, how did I land in the safe zone? I landed in the safe zone, James.
your body?
Yes.
Where?
Here, here.
Gotta be careful because there's red light, green light here.
No. Kill it.
Wait, I have an idea. Watch out. Stand back. Go back.
Okay, I will.
There's two
You don't have to
robots.
move when they don't see you, bro. You have to move when you move if they don't see you. You move.
I just don't want to risk it. Flashbang.
Dude, why'd you drop it? See, James, in mid. Over here. Don't move at all costs. Bro, this is so hard, bro. Literally felt impossible to beat.
You dying?
What is this car? Oh yeah.
Junk rooms. We went the wrong way.
We're just going back.
Wait, which way do we go?
Help. Help. Like now. James, help.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Which way do we go?
Bro, it's literally that way. It says exit. Don't you remember?
Bro!
I'm so sorry, James. I'm so sorry. We have to go again.
Okay, no messing up this side.
Which way? I think it's this way. Oh, I see the turret monster. I'm just gonna try and run past it. I did. Oh, I found red light, green light. Okay, run, move. There, go.
Move.
This
Wait,
is the
I still
room.
should be here.
found
Here.
Grab your key card.
Yes. Oh my god,
Grab
I'm
your
so
flying thing.
sorry. I'm so sorry, bro. Whoa.
Bro!
Sorry.
There.
Okay, you're hitting it. Good.
Which way? That way?
This way. Red light, green light. We don't go through that room. Just kill the little machine thing. We don't go through that room. It doesn't matter. Just move. Just- kill it. Okay, good. Let's go. Here.
I'm just imagining how long this is gonna be.
Here.
No, this is the wrong way.
Okay. Then over downstairs.
I just forgot that we were making a movie. I mean, not a movie, a video.
I didn't forget. But yet. Yeah, so don't make the same mistakes as we did. And now we finally made it with the keypad that went in for a very long time. Now we can go through there.
Put it in.
Couldn't possibly die. Finally, that missing spot. This one I really hate. Like really hate.
Oh wait, I don't
Worst
have
map
my
ever.
pickaxe yet. I gotta grab my pickaxe. Quickly. Grab your pickaxe. And
Dude, remember that thingy, that like.
I know,
that
just get on the
beaming,
train.
It works.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, James.
I'm
How do you
stupid.
get-
Don't you remember, bro? I'm stupid.
Get up.
You gotta do this quick because I already have violin lessons.
No pickles.
Bro, that's no lights art.
Now this is the part where you should bring a big one. And you might not want to play with a crash out dude. That's so annoying. And
Wrong way. This way. Yeah,
that way, right?
yeah.
Shit.
Just go. Come on.
Come in, bro.
Down here. Alright, this way. No. Which way? It's on me. It's on me. They're on me. They're everywhere. Help! They're on
I
me.
can't help where I'm going.
You gotta get out of here. This way. They're on top of me. Oh, I'm one hit. Where did my thing go? They're on me.
Just kill them first.
I did. I'm one shot. Okay, we gotta stay on the roof. Ha! Dude. And I need you right now. In the digging spot. It's the other side. Alright, I made it to the end. I dug a path. Here, you want me to come find you? Did you find the digging spot? You found the digging spot, because I can hear you digging.
Yep. There we go. Okay. Don't. Okay, let's show them until like the tunnel bit, because we want to leave that as a surprise. Since that one's really.
No, I want to do it.
got
I want to just show them everything.
Bro, it's gonna take a while because there's like 18, you know.
Dude, this is the one where you run. It's the cool one. Come on. Come on.
Right. After this one is done, okay?
Yeah.
After this one.
Alright, pull over.
And then we'll let them explore because we don't want to reveal too much.
Bro,
This one you don't need a flashlight. You just need a grappler or anything you can fly with. Anything you can travel really fast with. Because you're going to need to travel with.
yeah, because the train follows you.
I'm not Goofy mode today. I'm Sigma mode.
Okay, this one we gotta run for our life.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's go. Let's go. Now we feel like really slow, but we have to go super fast.
I'm faster by grappler.
Yeah. The grappler is like kind of annoying.
I'm used to it because I use it all the time.
Yeah. One bite always is blue off.
I don't know, I'm just him.
And guys, this is where you unlock the hoverboard. Literally just get.
Well, you get the pink one, not the other colors that do different stuff.
I know. And the hoverboard actually sucks. Like, but it doesn't stop hovering. But it like sucks. I've used them. And it sucks.
They're useful, but they suck to move.
Yeah. I mean, they're cool. They're cool looking.
I figured they'd be cooler than when I first saw them, you know? Alright, let's mine! Mine for the 100 ore quest.
And if you don't have a pickaxe on you, you can just buy one.
Yeah. Bro, I just finished. Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah, I did it. But dude, look how many ores there are. These are not ores.
And they sell for 19,000 dollars.
Yeah.
And this is where you get a key card.
And we'll let you
we've
explore. We're gonna end this.
Yourself. I've already got it. Alright, see you guys. I will kiss you later.
We'll just end the video on the train. Alright, Nathan, I'm leaving you. Aww, I was gonna leave you.
Hecky no no, hecky no no, hecky no no.
Alright.
Hecky no no, hecky no no.
Goodbye, guys. That's it.
Bye bye. Kiss you later, guys.
Hey, yo.